Woo! Merry Christmas. How are you, Jenny? Hi. Oh, you got a monster truck. Oh my gosh. Wow.
That's reverse. It's the other way.
Jenny. Shh. Whoa.
You say Merry Christmas? Look at me.
Jenny, shut up.
Hayden, say Merry Christmas.
Whoa. Go backwards.
Backwards.
How do you go backwards?
You have to push the other white button. And then the pedal. Push it with your finger, the white button.
Oh, okay. And then you push the pedal. Whoa!
Uh-oh. You're about to...
Can somebody show me?
You need a toe?
Push the reverse, buddy. Push the reverse. No,
Like you.
no. Alright, push the other one. Left or right, Kevin, is reverse.
It's the left one.
Okay.
The reverse.
So there we go. Nope. Left. Hit that now. That's going to put you in reverse. So you got to go a little bit and then stop. Stop.
Back up.
You can keep going.
Beep, beep.
Alright.
Now, when I take the steering wheel,
Turn towards me.
Turn towards there. Yeah.
There you go. Ah!
Keep turning it.
Kia.
But don't take the key out or it won't go.
It's a Kia.
That's so you need a key to make it work.
You got to
so you might want to back up a little bit. You know, go in the...
You got to do a 3-point turn.
You got it.
Wheel towards Eric. And put it in reverse. And put it in, no, the other way. Now turn the wheel the other way.
Yeah.
Push it. All right, you got it in forward. Now turn the wheel.
Turn the wheel towards me. There you go.
Can he do it?
Yeah! That's pretty cool, Hayden.
Yep.
Yeah.
Santa's a cool guy.
And a big one.
I gotta go do that casserole.
Oh. Well,
Ooh, it's chilly. What else you got in there?
cooking breakfast.
I got gasoline.
Eggs, sausage.
And a bag for stuff to in my trunk.
Got stuff to put in your trunk?
Yeah.
I had no idea.
Put your phone in there.
Here, put it here and it can look up at you.
Okay. Yeah, I'll
Where is...
What am I doing out here?